Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing a common maintenance task for car enthusiasts and DIYers: how to replace valve cover gaskets. Over time, valve cover gaskets can deteriorate, causing oil leaks and potential engine damage. But don't worry, with the right tools and a little bit of patience, you can easily replace them yourself. So, let's get started. Gather the necessary tools and materials. Before we begin, make sure you have all the tools and materials you'll need for this project. These typically include a socket set, a torque wrench, a gasket scraper or a razor blade, a new set of valve cover gaskets, and a can of gasket sealant. Additionally, it's always a good idea to have some shop towels or rags handy to clean up any spills or messes. Prepare the workspace. Next, you'll want to prepare your workspace. Park your vehicle on a flat surface and let the engine cool down completely. It's important to work on a cool engine to avoid burning yourself and to ensure proper sealing of the new gaskets. Remove the old valve cover gaskets. Start by removing any components that are obstructing access to the valve covers, such as air intake tubes or engine covers. Then, using a socket set, carefully loosen and remove the bolts that secure the valve covers in place. Keep track of the bolts and their respective locations, as some may be different lengths. Gently lift the valve covers off the engine, being cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Clean the valve cover surfaces. With the valve covers removed, it's time to clean the surfaces where the gaskets will sit. Use a gasket scraper or a razor blade to carefully remove any old gasket material or residue. Make sure the surfaces are clean and free of any debris before proceeding. Install the new valve cover gaskets. Place the new valve cover gaskets onto the clean surfaces, ensuring they are properly aligned. It's a good idea to apply a thin layer of gasket sealant to both sides of the gaskets to promote a better seal. Once the gaskets are in place, carefully lower the valve covers back onto the engine, making sure they sit flush. Start threading the bolts by hand, and then use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specifications. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this could cause damage. Reassemble and test. After the valve covers are securely fastened, it's time to reassemble any components you removed earlier, such as air intake tubes or engine covers. Double-check that everything is properly reinstalled. Once everything is back in place, you can start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. Monitor for any signs of leaks or abnormalities. If everything looks good, congratulations. You've successfully replaced your valve cover gaskets. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. Replacing valve cover gaskets is a relatively straightforward task that can save you both time and money. By following these steps and taking your time, you should be able to accomplish this DIY repair with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive content. As always, if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.